Yo guys, what's going on? Thank you for joining me on another one. It's your boy Simon Khalil. I want to discuss something real quick because I've been hearing this on topic for last couple of weeks now, and on Instagram I follow a dude. His name is Danny Batista. Amazing photographer. I'm gonna put his information down below and maybe put it somewhere on the screen here. But he put out a quote or a story a couple of weeks back that definitely resonated with me big time, and I feel that I need to discuss this with you guys because it's actually a very good point. That what he stated was, if you're feeling burnt out, and don't quote me on this, if you're feeling burnt out, it's probably because you keep doing the same thing. As I found that to be fucking 100% true, because when I was shooting landscapes, I was getting bored of shooting landscapes. When I was shooting hate to say it, weddings, I got bored of shooting weddings. I still shoot them. I don't shoot as many as I used to. So that's actually helped me build up different genres of shooting. So I found that very interesting because people out there are saying that they're burnt out, or they're just not into it anymore, or so on and so forth. But that's something that I feel that has helped me down the line. He stated it, and he has a very large audience, so I felt that it was necessary to bring this up in today's video. Now you could look at this particular topic in a couple of different ways. Number one, shooting weddings. Yeah, I know people that shoot 35 weddings a year. I know people that shoot double that. But a lot of them state during the down season that they're sick of it. Now, I completely understand why they're sick of it. This is the only thing you've been fucking doing for the past year, couple of years consistently, and I completely understand that. What I started doing on my side was, I said, you know what? I love creating shit, but I'm going to create different shit. Now, on my Instagram, and the link is below, you'll see that there is, I hate to say it, but there's literally no consistency on what I'm posting, which, you know, some of you might say like that's how your account doesn't grow or and shit like that, but that's fine. It's my account. I do as I wish. So the reason I do that is because I do not want to be known as a wedding photographer or a portrait photographer or a product photographer. I want to be known as a creator. Someone who creates content regardless of the genre, whether it's pictures or video. That's how I want to do things. Now, I'm not saying this is best for everybody, because a lot of people don't want to get into this whole video thing because of reels and shit like that. Instagram reels and TikToks, and some people don't want to create it. But when it comes down to narrowing down what I want to create, I figured out that I am actually gaining more business across the board, getting jobs that I actually want to do, and I am allowed now to be picky with it. I can choose if I want to shoot a wedding or not. And the reason people stay in the wedding game, I hate to say it, is because of the money. And if that's what motivates you, that's perfectly okay. But guess what? That shit doesn't motivate me. I am 100% about the creating. I don't want to shoot 40 weddings a year, not be able to see my family on the weekends because most of these weddings land on the weekend. That's bullshit. For me, I'd rather pick and choose the jobs that I get or want to do and move on from there. And it's never the same. That's the best part. I could be shooting a wedding on a Saturday. The next day, I'm shooting family shots, I'm shooting portraits, I'm shooting some brand stuff that gets sent to my house. So a lot of it is up to you. I don't feel it to be necessary for you to just stick in one genre. You should get out there and try to create by all the means. So that's all I really had for you today, guys. A short one. So, you know, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I think you guys should get out there and start creating shit that you want to create, as well as step out of your comfort zone and create other things, so that way you can get paid for it and earn a living. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I'll catch you on the flip side. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Peace out. Peace.